In this video, I'm going to show you how to batch update points using Qdrant in N8N. This is a simple but powerful workflow step that can save you a ton of time when you need to update multiple records or points at once instead of editing them one by one. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N automation guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can browse and add different integrations and actions into your workflow. In the search bar, type Qdrant. Once it appears, select the Qdrant node from the list. This is the node that lets you connect N8N with your Qdrant database so you can perform actions on your points. After adding the node, the next step is to choose the Batch Update Points option. This action is specifically designed for updating multiple points in one request, which makes it much more efficient than handling them individually. It's especially useful when you want to modify payload data, adjust values, or update existing records across your collection. Once you select Batch Update Points, you'll need to configure what you want to update. This is where you define the exact data and target points for the operation. Depending on your workflow, you may need to choose the collection, set the point identifiers, and specify the changes you want applied. Take your time here and make sure the configuration matches the records you actually want to update. If your workflow includes dynamic data from earlier nodes, this is the point where you can map that information into the Qdrant fields. That way, your batch update becomes fully automated and can run based on incoming data, triggers, or previous steps in the workflow. This is what makes N8N so useful for real automation use cases. Before you run the node, double-check everything carefully. Make sure you've selected the right Qdrant connection, confirm the correct batch update action, and reviewed the fields you're updating. A quick check here can prevent mistakes and make sure the right points are changed in your database. Then run the workflow or execute the node to apply the batch update. If everything is set up correctly, Qdrant will update the selected points in bulk, and your workflow will continue smoothly from there. So that's how to batch update points using Qdrant in N8N. Start by choosing Qdrant from the Nodes panel, select Batch Update Points, and then configure the values you want to update. It's a fast and effective way to manage point updates in your automations. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more practical N8N tutorials, Qdrant workflows, and automation tips very soon.